Hi, today I will show you how to install and put on air a WaveArt DDS FM transmitter. Connect the cable provided with the unit to a terminal block. The cable of the 3 kW and 5 kW units has 5 wires. If the AC voltage is a single phase in between 176 and 264 volt, short with a plug the gray, black and brown cables on the terminal block. Otherwise, you can short circuit with the cables. Check if between the blue cable, the neutral, and the brown cable, the phase, the voltmeter reads 230 volt. Check also the position of the voltage selector on the back of the unit. If the AC voltage is 3-phase star connection with power neutral between 310 and 460 volt, connect all the wires to the terminal block. Now check if between the 3 phases, gray, black and brown cable, the voltmeter reads 400 volt, and between each phase and the neutral, the blue cable, you read 230 volt. Check the position of the voltage selector on the back of the unit. If the AC voltage is 230 volt 3-phase delta connection, connect the 4 wires. You read with the voltmeter between each phases 230 volt. Check also the position of the voltage selector on the back of the unit. Properly connect the ground cable and then plug the AC connector on the rear panel. Connect the available audio and MPX sources. Connect the RF cable to a dummy load or to the filter or antenna system. Switch on the transmitter. Through the display, set properly the audio source levels. Move to Input Status Setting. Select Audio Input left or right. This is the actual input level. We set accordingly the nominal level. For WebGuide, RDS and automatic switch setting, please refer to the specific videos. FM output carrier to set the output frequency, for example 100 MHz. We set if the transmission is mono stereo, the pre-emphasis, and we enable the soft clipper. If your audio source is not available, the transmitter can generate a test tone. Plug the enabling key, the interlock, in the aux connector on the rear panel. Raise slowly the power at different steps according to check the reflected power. Follow us in the next videos.